General Motors has come out with this new 2.7 liter turbo motor that they've put in these Silverados. What's up with that, Brett?
It's so exciting that when you hear these numbers, they really don't make sense. We're not used to a Silverado having that small of a motor in it, but the motor isn't brand new, but they've enhanced it. They brought that motor with 24% more torque than it had before. It's set to go, and it'll do everything else that a pickup does. And here's the other thing that's really exciting. We've got a bunch of them.
So on every engine that General Motors produces, they try to stress the motor. They run it for a very long, consistent period of time without turning it off, basically trying to get the motor to seize up, to understand what's the worst that could happen to these motors. This 2.7 is only the second motor in the history of the company that they cannot get to seize up.
It's bulletproof. And you know, that's good to know, because that smaller motor, you are going to be working it, but it'll stand up to it.
You know, most people, you know, on the day-to-day basis, they're using that truck as a family vehicle, as, you know, they're commuting back and forth to work, and then they may haul something on the weekend, right? So, you know, their boat, their camper, you know, maybe a trailer, but it's not something they're using on a consistent basis. But when they need it, it's there.
It's almost one of those things that you have to come in and drive it. And we've got kind of a neat thing going on right now called Test Drive Saturday.
Okay.
We had a truck and a trailer ready to go, and a trailer that I'm gonna guess weighs probably about 5,000 pounds. So you're gonna be able to really feel what it's like and what it will do in your everyday.
You know, again, back to perception, right? If we can give you all the data, let you get behind the wheel, show you what this truck can really do, and then get you great gas mileage on the way to work, and hauling your family around and going on vacation, you know, I think it's kind of the best of both worlds all in one.